Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I got out to the farm. It was still dark, but it's starting to get light outside, so I'm going to be able to go cut for my florist. And I got my $100 bouquet done. I kind of took the one I had yesterday, vamped it up a little bit, like kind of looked at it last night, and now I'm really loving it. Yay! I just think it's really gorgeous. I love the trailing amaranth over here to the side. I put, ooh, my little snapdragons going wild on me like they do. I put the brown sunflowers. And then I added some pops of orange and stuff to it. So I think it looks a lot better right now. And then on the other side, I gave them a teddy bear sunflower, a bunch of lisianthus, and some of my dark colored sunflowers. I think this side is really pretty too. They're both just really unique. I love it. Well, the zinnias came through today. 235 zinnias. And one sweet Annie. It was falling over, so I threw it in. Oh my gosh, this bucket is just humongous. It's one of my bigger field buckets. Look at that orange. So excited. 235. Good job, zinnias. Very, very good job. So this is the mess that I've created today. I made 5 pretty good sized bouquets. I got them all delivered. I went through my cooler. I did hang some stuff. I'm gonna try to dry it. It had just been in the cooler too long. I didn't feel comfortable putting it in bouquets. So I went through and I got rid of everything. So everything in there should be cut and picked within the last week and a half to 2 weeks. Like some today, some yesterday. And some of it I'm just leaving in there to see how its life does, and if it makes the wall, it makes the wall, and otherwise I toss it. I did have to toss a few things today. I tossed my frosted explosion grass. I do have 1 bucket of it in there that still looked okay, that I'm kind of using, because it has like a yellowish seed when it kind of is done, but it looks really good in fall bouquets, and it doesn't last as long, but it still lasts like throughout the week in the life of the flowers, so I'm good with it. So I just saved a little bit back because I haven't been giving it to the florists because I'm not sure they would want to use it. Maybe they would, but I think they like it when it's green and bright. So that is the task I have ahead of me, is cleaning up all of these buckets and doing dishes. Just a day in the life of a flower farmer. That task is done. I got all these vases that I got today cleaned up, and I got all my buckets cleaned up. So that's awesome. I swept the floor, but I didn't mop it. I will mop it tomorrow, because tomorrow will create the same mess when I make farmer market bouquets. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the videos of the different bouquets I made today, and I hope everybody has a fantastic day.